J.D. Vance, yung Vice Presidente ng Amerika, J.D. Vance warns UFOs could be demons flying around Earth, vows to get to the bottom of its secret files. Na-interview mga kababayan si US. Yan yung congressional investigation as reported by CBS News. Pwede ninyo siyang i-search. UFO whistleblower says US recovered non-human biologics from crash sites. UFO sightings from USS Jackson. They rose from the ocean, then vanished, sabi po ni Alexandro Wiggins. So sabi dito mga kababayan sa balita, 3 days ago lang ito, kaya lang hindi masyado pinag-uusapan sa mainstream. US Vice President J.D. Vance is making headlines after sharing his
nagbabagang mga balita at pagtalakay sa mga isyu na lipungan. Bulsa, opinyon, banat at paglalantad sa katotohanan. Bulsa, what you see is what you get. You decide.
Hello po mga kababayan, si Dante Maravillas. I-share ko ito sa inyong balita dito mga kababayan na hindi masyado na pag-uusapan. Itong balita mula pa ito sa Amerika. J.D. Vance, yung Vice Presidente ng Amerika, J.D. Vance warns UFOs could be demons flying around Earth, vows to get to the bottom of its secret files. Na-interview mga kababayan si US Vice President J.D. Vance. At ito yung sinabi niya. So, believer mga kababayan si J.D. Vance, Vice President ng Amerika, tulad ni US President Trump of the existence ng mga alien beings. Kaya nga po yung Amerika, 3 years ago yata ito o 2 years ago, nagsagawa po ng congressional investigation about the presence of alien beings sa mundo po. Yan yung congressional investigation as reported by CBS News. Pwede ninyo siyang i-search. UFO whistleblower says US recovered non-human biologics from crash sites. UFO sightings from USS Jackson. They rose from the ocean, then vanished, sabi po ni Alexandro Wiggins. So ito na po yung disclosure na sinasabi ko po sa inyo na sa totoo lang, in the Bible, minention po ang existence ng mga extraterrestrial beings, mga UFOs sa modern man. Aliens ang tawag. Pero kay Vice President J.D. Vance, tama yung kanyang belief. Just like President Trump, they believe in the existence, mga kababayan, of alien beings. Pero ang paniwala ni J.D. Vance, mga kababayan, Vice President ng Amerika, they are demons. Mga fallen angels po sila. Just like me, yun din ang aking belief. Kasi nasa Bible po siya. Pero ibigay ko muna sa inyo ang interview kay J.D. Vance, mga kababayan. So sabi dito mga kababayan sa balita, 3 days ago lang ito, kaya lang hindi masyado pinag-uusapan sa mainstream. US Vice President J.D. Vance is making headlines after sharing his controversial views on extraterrestrial life, saying he believes aliens may actually be demons. Speaking on a conservative podcast, Vance admitted he is obsessed with UFOs, also known as UAPs, unidentified anomalous phenomena, and promised to look deeper into government files that could shed light on the mystery. Despite not yet reviewing classified reports, he expressed strong personal beliefs shaped by religion, sabi dito sa balita. Bible believer kasi po si J.D. Vance, kaya parehas kami ng belief because naniwala siya sa revelation sa Bible. Kasi sa Bible, mga kababayan, nireveal siya noon pang panahon, nagpakita ang mga extraterrestrial beings sa mga ancient peoples. Yan ang totoo niyan. And they're coming back. Mga kababayan, they have advanced technology at malamang sa malamang yung Amerika, mga kababayan, hawak ang ilang mga alien technology, fallen angel technology, mga kababayan. Ni-reverse engineering nila noong yung iba, na-capture nila yung mga UFOs, yung mga spacecraft nila. ni-reverse engineering. Kaya nagpa-imbestiga po yung yung Congress ng Amerika 2 to 3 years ago yata yon. Mamaya i-replay ko po sa inyo. Tinatago nila kasi noon yung katotohanan pero ngayon nire-reveal na pa konti-konti. So I don't think they're aliens, sabi po ni Vice President Vance. I think they are demons suggesting that unexplained celestial phenomena may have spiritual or supernatural origins rather than extraterrestrial ones. The remarks come as renewed interest in UFO disclosures grows, with Donald Trump posing for the release of government files and Barack Obama recently clarifying past comments about alien life. Vance's statement have sparked mixed reactions online, with some intrigued by the theory and others questioning the blending of politics, religion, and unexplained science. Hindi po siya unexplained science na ipagpapaliwanag na mismo ng mga witnesses, ng mga naka-encounter po mga kababayan dito, including former Canadian Defense Minister Paul Hellyer. Nagpa-interview po si former Defense Minister Paul Hellyer, na-interview ng RT, Russian Television. Pwede ninyo itong i-search, RT, Russian Television, Paul Hellyer. Sabi ni Paul Hellyer sa interview ng Russian Television, at least 4 alien species have been visiting Earth for thousands of years. Kita ninyo, nagbabalik sila mga kababayan kasi parte ito ng mga signs of the times, signs of the second coming of Jesus Christ. Masasyak po yung mundo pag nagpakita sila sa mga tao na mismo. Ngayon pa isa-isa pa lang, and based sa mga testimony ng mga high-ranking officials, ng mga leaders ng mundo. You see? Sabi ni Paul Hellyer, they're here pakinggan ninyo yung interview ng Russian television. Kailan ito? Matagal na. Ayan o.
Hello, welcome to Sophie & Co. I'm Sophie Shevardnadze. Paul Hellyer served as the Canadian Minister of Defense in the 1960s, shaping the country's armed forces for years to come. It was only in his retirement that he says he made a life-changing discovery. He became the first cabinet-level politician from a G8 country to publicly state that there is life present on Earth. Is this an elaborate fantasy? Are aliens science fiction? Or is there something to claims of their existence?
Extraterrestrial life. For ages, humanity... Is there anything else in the cold darkness of space? Skeptics say there is no proof, but there have always been those who dared to dream. And some even
Russian
claim to
television
have seen
report.
those with their own eyes. Do aliens exist? Are they already here? Do they pose a threat or a chance for salvation?
The Honorable Paul Hellyer, former Minister of Defense of Canada, and he believes that life forms from space exist and are present on Earth. It's great to have you with us on our show. Why do you say that UFOs are as real as the airplanes flying over our...
Well, because I know that they are. They've been, as a matter of fact, they've been visiting our planet for thousands of years. And one of the cases that would give me 2 or 3 minutes to answer is during the...
Thousands of years, pabalik-balik na dito sa mundo yung mga extraterrestrial beings, sabi niya sa interview.
From Russia to across Europe, and the Supreme Allied Commander was very
4 species, 4 na ori ng lahi
press the panic button when they
ng mga alien beings.
North Pole. So they decided to do an investigation, and they investigated for 3 years, and they decided that with absolute certainty that 4 different species at least, had been visiting this planet for thousands of years.
Thousands of years.
So that's, we have a long history.
Kaya na-record po sa Bible,
There's been a lot more activity.
pakita ko sa inyo mamaya,
Decades
ang
since,
records ng Bible.
we invented the atomic bomb, and they're very concerned about
Pero hindi sila mga kababayan tulad ng paniwala natin na alien beings.
because the whole cosmos
They are
is-
fallen angels, mga kababayan, tulad ng sinasabi ni US Vice President J.B. Vance ng Amerika.
Stupid enough to start using atomic weapons again, and this would be very bad for us and for them as well.
So no serious scientist has ever publicly
So, kaya sagawa ng congressional investigation po sa Amerika 2 to 3 years ago. Yan o. UFO whistleblower says US recovered non-human biologics from crash sites. Iparinig ko sa inyo mga kababayan. Ito yung congressional investigation sa Amerika na sinagawa. Pwede ninyong i-search ito. UFO whistleblower says 2 years ago pala, US recovered yung biologics. Pakinggan natin.
Mr. Chairman, and good morning to our witnesses who are testifying today. I want to thank each of you for being here to discuss a topic of grave importance to our national security.
Importante kasi sa national security kasi may mga alien beings.
South Carolina. Since the Roswell incident in 1947, many Americans have wondered about the dangers of unknown objects crisscrossing our skies. Whether these are UAPs or weather phenomena, advanced technology from American allied or enemy forces, or something more out of this world. So my first question, I have several questions, and if we could just be quick on these first two, I'm going to ask each of you the same question, and then I'll get to each of you individually. The first one, when you reported your experiences with a UAP, did any of you face any repercussions with your superiors, yes or no? No.
Yan congressional investigation.
I've actually never seen anything personally, believe it or not. So.
All right. And then do you believe there's an active disinformation campaign within our government to deny existence of UAPs, yes or no?
I don't have an answer to that. As previously stated publicly, yes. I think previously with Project Blue Book, yes, but currently I don't speak for the United States government.
Okay, thank you. I have a few questions for Mr. Graves. What percentage of UAP sightings in your belief go unreported by our pilots?
This is an approximation based off of my personal
Mga
experience.
pilot sila,
The number of
naka-encounter.
pilots, I would estimate we're somewhere near 5% reporting, perhaps.
So 95% basically don't report seeing UAPs.
That's just my personal estimate.
In the incident
Yung
off
iba
Virginia
hindi na
Beach,
nire-report
will
kasi
the
nire-ridicule
danger to
sila,
aircraft
ayaw
seriously
paniwalaan.
after it's reported?
Absolutely.
Kaya hindi na lang nagsasalita
A few
ng
questions
mga
for Mr.
encounters.
Favor. As an expert naval aviator, have you ever seen an object that looked and moved?
Naval
like the
aviator
Tic Tac
siya,
UAP?
expert.
No.
Did the Tic Tac UAP move in such a way that defied the laws of physics?
The way we understand them, yes.
Defying the law of
Many UAP
physics.
reports as classified weapons
Yung
tested
mga
by our
kuwan nila,
government. But in your experience as a pilot, does our
mga
government
spacecraft,
typically
ang
test
bibilis,
advanced weapon systems right next to
superior.
multi-million-dollar jets without informing our pilots?
No, we have test ranges for that.
It took over 15 years for your encounter with the Tic Tac to be declassified. Do you feel there was a good reason to prevent lawmakers from having access to this footage?
No, I just think it was ignored when it happened, and it just sat somewhere in a file. Never got reported.
In a drawer. It happens a lot up here. Shocker. Mr. Gresh, a couple of questions for you too, sir, this morning. What percentage of UAPs do you feel are adequately investigated by the U.S. government? Of the 5% that are reported.
I can only speak
Mga
for
fallen angels
my
po
personal
sila.
leadership over at NGA. I tried to look at every report that came through that I could triage. So.
Do you believe that officials at the highest levels of our national security apparatus have unlawfully withheld information from Congress?
Tinatago ng
and
mga
subverted,
mga
our
officials
authority?
para hindi magpanik ang
There
mundo.
were certain elected leaders that had more information than
Yung mga tao sa mundo. Para ngayon may paunti-unti silang disclosures na binibitawan. Kaya ang ginawa nila, may mga movies muna para yung tao masanay about the presence ng ng mga UFOs and aliens. Di ba? 'Yun ang ginawa mga kababayan para masanay na muna pag hindi mahintakutan yung mundo. Di ba? So 'yun, kaya ngayon may mga disclosures na mga kababayan and congressional investigation mismo sa Amerika.
I'm not sure what they've shared with certain gangbang members or etc., but certainly I would not be surprised.
Okay. You say that the government is in possession of potentially non-human spacecraft. Based on your experience and extensive conversations with experts, do you believe our government has made contact with intelligent extraterrestrials?
Something I can't discuss in public setting.
Hindi na nila ma-discuss about in public setting. Pero, alam niyang mayroon. At ang sabi, ang America in possession of UFOs, ni-reverse engineering nila. Kaya nakita ninyo yung mga technology ng Amerika, napaka-advanced. As compared sa mga discoveries and inventions ng ibang mga bansa, superior mga kababayan ang Amerika. You see, ni-reverse engineering nila. So, we have fallen angels technology.
Something I can't discuss in public setting.
Okay, I can't ask when you think this occurred.
Ayaw
do
niyang
you believe
i-discuss
we have
publicly.
crashed craft, stated earlier, do we have the bodies of the pilots who piloted this craft?
As I've stated publicly already in my News Nation interview, biologics came with some of these recoveries. Yeah.
May na-recover pa. Mga biologics, ibig sabihin, buhay na alien.
Non-human, and that was the assessment of people with direct knowledge on the program I talked to that are currently still on the program.
And was this
Alien
documentary
beings.
evidence, video, photos, eyewitness? Like, how would that be determined?
The specific documentation I would have to talk to Skiff about.
Gotcha. Okay. So, and you may or may not be able to answer my last question, and maybe we get into a skiff at the next hearing that we have, but who in the government, either what agency, sub-agency, what contractors, who should be called into the next hearing about UAPs, either in a public setting or even in a private setting? And you probably can't name names, but what agencies or organizations, contractors, et cetera, do we need to call in to get these questions answered, whether it's about funding, what programs are happening, and what's out there?
I can give you a specific cooperative and hostile witness list of specific individuals that were in those.
And how soon can we get that list?
I'm happy to provide that to you after the hearing.
Super. Thank you. And I yield back.
So as written, mga kababayan, sa Bible, alien beings are real beings. Extraterrestrial beings, mga kababayan. Si Trump mismo, gusto ninyo marinig yung balita tungkol kay Trump in relation sa presence ng mga UFOs? Ito, report ng NBC News. Israel's former space security chief claims aliens exist and Trump knows. Alam ni Trump. At hindi niya, Mr. Maravillas. Alam nila. Because aliens are real beings. Kaya sige, palipad ng Amerika, mga kababayan ng mga spacecraft. Hindi sa atin sinasabi yung pinaka-mission nila, mga kababayan. Basta gusto lang nila na may mission sila to the moon and beyond. Ganon. Ngayon, pakinggan natin yung report ng NBC. Ito po.
Aliens exist and President Trump knows about it. That's according to Israel's former space security chief. In an interview with an Israeli newspaper, he said the aliens have been waiting until today for humanity to develop and reach a stage where we will understand in general what space and spaceships are. NBC News chief global correspondent Bill Neely explains this one.
Hi, Alison. Well, this is quite a story, and it comes from the man who headed Israel's space security program for nearly 30 years. Chaim Eshed is making the extraordinary claim that the United States and Israel have been in contact with a group of aliens for years, not immigrants, but extraterrestrials. He has called them the Galactic Federation of Aliens, and he says President Trump is aware of the existence
Kaya
of
yung
these
Amerika, may
aliens and
Space
has
Force
no
na sila.
revealing their secrets, he claims, but was asked not to do so by the Federation in order to prevent what he calls mass hysteria. Well, the retired general
Ayaw nila na magpanik yung mga tao sa mundo, mas hysteria. Kaya tinatago nila.
Don't want to reveal themselves until humanity can evolve, he says, and understand what space really is. Well, the good news is that he claims an agreement has been reached between the US government and the aliens, a contract.
May agreement na yung Amerika with aliens.
There's also, he says, a secret underground base on Mars Mars, where there are American and alien representatives.
Malamang yun ang misyon ng Artemis 2.
Israel's defense ministry is 87.
Mag-establish ng permanent permanent base in space.
After parts of it were published in English by the Jerusalem Post today. He says he's come forward now in the hope that his news will be accepted as true. He notes that if he'd made these claims 5 years ago, he would have been hospitalized, but now he says, I've got nothing to lose. Well, so far, President Trump has not tweeted about this, though remember a year ago, he did set up the Space Force as the fifth branch of the U.S. Armed Forces. Well, we did ask the White House, the Department of Defense, and Israeli officials.
Ready na sila.
So far, they have not responded to the NBC News request, and I wonder if they ever will. Allison.
Ano masasabi ninyo? Niwala na kayo? Kasi nasusulat po sa Bible ang presence ng mga UFOs, aliens, extraterrestrial beings. Yan o, Bible verses about aliens. Because sa inyo, advance ang Bible po, kaya magbasa kayo ng Bible para you have full of knowledge of things. Yung mga totoo. Sabi dito, Bible verses about aliens, extraterrestrial life, or demonic spirits. What does the Bible say about aliens? The Bible reveals that there is extraterrestrial life, but not as many suppose. Although the Bible does not speak of aliens who live on faraway planets, it does speak of cosmic powers over this present darkness, spiritual forces or evil in heavenly places, as written in Ephesians chapter 6 verse 12. Ngayon, ang tanong dito, could the UFO in alien phenomenon people perceive today actually be wicked spiritual forces to undermine our belief in God? There are a lot of unknowns, sabi po dito, in the universe out there. Space is vast and we cannot explore everything out there. There have been movies made about astronauts, sci-fi themes, and aliens. As believers, it is important to understand what we believe about extraterrestrial beings. Dapat nating maintindihan ito, mga kababayan, kasi mismo nasusulat sa Bible, it was revealed. Yan o, sa Colossians chapter 1 verse 16. For in Him all things were created, things in heaven and in earth, visible and invisible, whether thrones or powers or rulers or authorities. All things have been created through Him and for Him. Sa Ephesians chapter 2 verse 12, sabi diyan, for our struggle is not against flesh and blood, but against the rulers, against the authorities, against the powers of this dark world, and against the spiritual forces of evil in heavenly realms or places. Kalaban natin, hindi kaibigan. Yung mga aliens, fallen angels kasi demons. Hindi natin sila kaibigan. Tama si J.B. Vance, US Vice President. Hindi natin sila kaibigan. Kaya kung may nagpo-promote na kaibigan natin yung mga alien, hindi po. Kalaban natin. Ang target nila yung ating kaluluwa. Fallen angels and demons. Gusto nilang kasama nila. Kaya sabi ni Paul Hellyer, dating Defense Minister, for thousands of years aliens are visiting the earth. At 4 na klase yung alam niya, 4 na uri ng species. Do not be deceived by aliens na pinopromote ng mga movies, Hollywood movies, alien beings. Pinalalabas nila na yung iba kaawa, yung iba kaibigan atin na niya. You will be deceived. Magkuhan po kayo, magbasa ng Bible kasi sa Bible po, dinescribe na sila. And they are clearly fallen angels, demons. Tama itong sinabi niya, US Vice President, J.B. Vance. J.B. Vance warns UFOs could be demons flying around Earth, vows to get to the bottom of its secret files. Hindi yan po haka-haka or belief lang. Real stories ito, mga kababayan. And it's becoming mainstream. Nagpa-imbestiga yung Congress ng Amerika. Kung hindi ito seryoso, magpapa-imbestiga ba yung Congress ng Amerika? Ang mapapala nila dyan. Kaya be ready sa alien invasion, fallen angels, invasion of Earth during the tribulation period. Be ready. Kaya kayo mga unbelievers, tapos kayo. Ang sasama kayo sa mga fallen angels, demons, kasi i-invade sila. Kung ano-ano mga kababayan yung makikita ninyo sa tribulation period, kakaibang mga nilalang. Di ba? Pwedeng may takutan talaga po kayo pag nakita ninyo yon. Kaya nire-ready na nila yung ating isipan. May congressional investigation na ginagawa sa Amerika. And to my yung theory natin, malamang sa malamang, kaya po grabe ang advances ng ng technology ng Amerika. Some of the technology na ginagamit ngayon, modern technology ng Amerika, nagmula po sa sa alien beings. Ni-reverse engineering nila yung mga spacecraft na kanilang na-capture at itinago muna sa atin. Kaya yung sabihin ng during the congressional investigation, I cannot discuss it publicly. Ito, report ng the Christian Science Monitor. Sabi dito, did Buzz Aldrin yung sa Apollo 11 astronaut really see a UFO? Technically yes, sabi yan. On NASA's famed Apollo 11 mission to the moon, astronaut Buzz Aldrin said he spotted a light traveling alongside his spacecraft. In a very narrow sense of the term, the light qualified as UFO. Tingin ninyo. Dinescribe sa Bible, kaya hindi magkakamali. Dinescribe siya, the presence of UFOs and alien beings confirmed by the Bible mismo. Sinulat ng mga propeta, mga kababayan, at ng mga apostol. Tulad mga kababayan ni San Pablo at saka ni Saint John the Revelator. Swimming and lifting cream, pinapahid po sa mga pulses in affected area. Mainam po sa paninigas ng mga kaso-kasuan. Ito naman po, Automax Radiant Serum. Sa mukha naman yung application, anti-aging po siya. You will look 10 years younger than your age. Sa mga cancer patients naman po, baka lang gusto ninyo itong itry. Neng siya red mixed fruit drink. Hindi mo po siya gamot, food supplement siya. Kaya lang, gawa siya mga kababayan sa goji berry. Yung goji berry may anti-cancer properties. O ngayon, yung mga inquiries ninyo, dumiritso na lang kayo sa aming messenger sa Facebook para masagot namin agad. Ayos pa? Ayos na ayos niya, Mr. Maravilla. Sa mga nagana po ng malinis and spacious fitness gym, pumunta lang po kayo sa aming Colossal Fitness Gym. May Grab car rental din po kami. But anyway, ito po pala yung aming bagong product na binibenta online. I am worldwide amazing pure organic barley powdered drink mix from Australia. Negosyo to ng aking anak na architect entrepreneur Riz Maravillas. Ayan po. Kontakin na lang po ninyo siya, Riz Maravillas on Facebook. Ang mga health benefits niya, boost immunity, improves digestion, enhance energy levels, packed with antioxidants, prevent cancer. Ito naman po yung bago naming product na binibenta online. Eye Glow Serum, whitening po siya. Tingnan ninyo yung epekto sa aking anak na architect before and now. Yung mga inquiries po ninyo, dumiretso na lang kayo sa kanyang Facebook account, Riz Maravillas.